Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is a 4-hour chart of gold USD, and as you can see that right now market is trading at 1691. This is the current market price of gold here, and if you have watched my previous videos, yesterday's video, then hopefully you made good profit, and right now you are still enjoying the profit because I clearly mentioned, and I have been clearly mentioning in my videos, that if gold breaks the level of 1698, we can take a sell position. And yes, as per our expectation, gold did break the level of 1700 and we did got the opportunity to take sell position below 1698. So still, if you're in profit right now, then you can book half of your profits, or if you're happy with the profit, then you can close your position as well. Because one thing you must understand right now, that though gold is still under the dominance of sellers, but there may be some correction on the chart of gold, okay, and gold may go up a little, okay. So already you are in a profit of 70 to 80 pips, so it's good enough. If you think that it's good enough, you can exit from the trade, and if you really want to ride the train, okay, then you can be on the trade, and your next target will be around 1680 to 83 level, because we can expect gold to bounce from 1680. And as I have been talking, and as we all know also, that 1680 is the most important support on the chart of gold. Why? Those who don't know, around 1 year ago, there was a heavy fall on the chart of gold on one Monday, okay, and this was the level from where price reversed. So right now you can see that gold is approaching this level, okay. So gold is approaching this level. So yes, traders around the world are expecting that gold will be bouncing from the 1680 level, okay. So if market bounces, you can go for a buy position. But my dear friends, I would like to tell you one thing very well, okay. Try to understand. If you look at these candles, or if you look at the market condition here, then you can see that market has shown strong price rejection from below. But this time on the chart of gold, we can see that selling pressure, though gold is approaching, listen to me carefully, though gold is approaching the level of 1680 sharply, okay, but the selling pressure is not decreasing. Rather, we can see that the selling pressure is still very much present in the market. So what may happen? Instead of a complete trend reversal from 1680, we can just get a bounce of 40-50 pips, okay. Once you get the bounce, you can book your profits and observe the market again, because if the same selling pressure continues on the chart of gold, then there may be a further downside, or maybe we will get another opportunity to sell below 1680 as well. Try to understand the body language of the market here. Try to understand how the market is approaching this support level, okay. Try to understand the market emotion. If you're new to the market, then yes, it will be difficult for you to understand, but those who have been trading for few years, they will understand that yes, simply looking at the levels will not work. You need to understand the market emotion as well. And moreover, if market breaks 1680, then yes, there may be a further downside of another 150 to 200 pips easily, okay. So you must be careful, and if you want to book profit right now, you can book your profits, and or if you really want to go till 1680 to 83 level, then all the best. But still, I'll suggest you to book half of your profits right now, because already you have got good, okay. And on the other hand, if market goes up from here, then obviously you should avoid taking buy position, or at least I will not take any buy position, and I will suggest every one of you to avoid taking buy position, especially if you're new trader or beginner. And if I take you to the economic calendar here, you can see that ECB interest rate decision is coming up, and it's a high impact news. Yes, this will bring some volatility to the chart of gold. Why? Because see, gold price to remain vulnerable. Gold price to remain vulnerable on hawkish ECB bets. Think tanks are thinking. Think tanks are of the opinion that think tanks are thinking. Think tanks are of the opinion that ECB will be increasing their interest rate. Okay, so interest rate has a negative correlation. So usually we have seen whenever interest rate goes up, the price of gold going down. But yes, there are certain other factors also that will be impacting the gold market. So do not trade blindly. Okay, and so the main reason behind sharing this event is that there will be some volatility in the market, so you must be careful, and please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. As always say, capital protection should be the first priority of any trader. So see, you have made decent profit right now, so you must be defensive. Okay, you do not need to trade on every level. Keep in mind, never forget, a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. Okay, so the right opportunity may come again around 1680 only if market bounces. If market goes up from here, no need to trade. You have already made a decent profit. Simply avoid the market, observe the market. That's it. In case during the US session market gets extremely volatile, if you see the market is going up and reversing from 1823 level, 1823 level or 1840 level, in that case you can take a sell position again. But in this market condition, if you're planning to take a buy position, then I'll suggest you that you should be avoiding. If your personal trading strategy is saying you to go for a buy, then that's your personal choice. But from my opinion, at least I will avoid taking any buy position right now. Bye bye, take care.